Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna take a little walk. It's getting colder. Yeah, there's the nut. Leaves are starting to change colors. Hope everybody's doing okay. Excuse me. And thank you for subscribing. Got up to 71 subscribers, guys. 71 subscribers. Let's see how far we could push this thing. Excuse me. Yeah, nose starts running right away. Temperature change. Excuse me. So I heard a recap. So Pelosi got messed up, eh? She got caught in sneaking around in the salon. Very good. Happened a week ago. I told you, man, these guys are they're not gonna quit. Deers are back. I saw 6 males yesterday. One 10-pin. Boots Point. These are nice. One was nice. And the other ones were 6 and 4. I'm going up a hill again. Missy's disappeared. Let's let her go. Where's she go? Oh, she's over there. It's these hills, hard on the legs, going up and down. But what can you do? And when she find out, I'm still using my excuse me, guys. I'm still using my gimbal, my Phatek 2S. Flawless. It's working great. Yeah. Barely any shaking the camera. You know. I also got a, what's it called? A neutral density filter for this phone. So, any of you guys were thinking about doing that, you know, those, and your camera's in the middle of your phone, but you weren't too sure. I'll leave a link. They're cheap. They're only $14, and we're gonna find out at the end of this video, because right now it's very sunny behind me, so I don't know what I'm looking at color-wise, meaning on the screen, like what does it look like in the video? We'll see. And you could adjust it. You see that, guys? You could adjust it. So that's pretty cool. So if you want to do some long exposures, you in the sun, or in the light or sunny conditions like this, you can use these little filters, and there's a ring on it, so where you could change the density of the filter to give you a better exposure, less light going in to certain type of pictures that you want to take and stuff. And right now what I'm learning is how to overexposure, but meaning overexposure like taking pictures of a waterfall and trying to overexpose the waterfall to see how the water, if it turns into silk. You know those pictures, guys, huh? Yeah. I also I'll just put it like that. Make sure you guys can see. I can't see the screen now. The sun is too bright. And I've been learning about these, camera apps on the phones and stuff like that. And what I liked about learning about on the phone, it's not like if you're trying it out on a real camera, a real DSLR camera or something. And I'll explain. I'm going to explain this to you. What I'm trying to explain here. Hang on. Going up a hill again. Whew. And the sun is right on my back. And I got my sweater on. So let me just go around this bend. Let's see if we spot any animals. And there's campers over there. Yeah, so excuse me. See, that's why I'm trying to slow down on the cigarettes. It catches up to you guys. And I've been smoking for a very long time. So should always listen to your parents, man. Don't smoke. I forgot. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. See what happens. So anyways, like I was saying, it was with the camera apps, I'm learning the functionalities of the cameras, what the functions are and stuff like that. And I have a Nikon D40X. Oh, jeez, I've had that 10 years. Easy 10 years ago. I don't know. 2014. It was before 214 anyways. And I never played with it. I just wanted to. I've always liked gadgets. I got caught too saying that. A friend of mine says the same thing. You like gadgets? I was very surprised. That person told me that. Yeah, it's true, I do. I'm a gadget geek. I'm a guy. So, with the apps, I'm downloading all these different apps and the functionality and what the camera will do and you learn, eh? So with my camera that I have, my D40, I was doing the same thing that I was learning on the apps, and I learned a lot on that camera. And when I was taking pictures, I was impressed with the pictures, you know, because I'm playing with shutter speeds and light and you know, all the settings that I'm trying to learn. This is a cul-de-sac, and so now I'm learning them and I'm trying them out on my camera, and yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Look at this one here. Yeah, crazy nut. So yeah. So I'm playing around with my camera. I'm taking shots. Yesterday I took pictures of turkeys. And I was trying to take the picture so that it would be a blurry background and a clear picture. But I didn't, it didn't work out. Pictures came out and all, but it wasn't what I wanted to get, you know. So there's trial and error, man. But it's pretty interesting, man. It's pretty cool shit, you know. And like I said, you know, I like gadgets and stuff, and I have many cameras. Those Nikon Sure Shot things, those little Fuji pocket cameras and stuff. Do you remember those ones in those days? The digital cameras, you know. I have lots of those, but I never played with settings. Never. And what I used to use those cameras for was when I used to go hunting. We used to hack those cameras so that we would put a motion detector on the camera. So what happens is when the animal would pass in front of the motion detector wired to the camera would wake up and take a shot. Very simple, and that's what we used to do. That's in those days. And it was cheaper than buying a hunting camera, you know, when you go to Walmart. This way, what I used to do anyways, was I used to go on eBay, and there was all these cameras that I needed to do these hunting cameras. You know, they were all broken, crack screen in the back and stuff. So I would buy lots of these things, you know. Mika, and you know, put them together. You know, so I had about, I don't know, maybe 15 of these cameras, and 7 of them were brought back to new, you know, refurbished. And then I would hotwire those ones and make hunting cameras with them. It was cheaper. Okay. So, and like I said, so with my camera now, you know, I'm learning all these settings just because I was learning from the apps. Because it's like the apps, it's like, and YouTube helps a lot in my days. You know, we didn't have the YouTube. I wasn't interested in YouTube and stuff. Besides that, it wasn't what it was today in a sense. You know? So couldn't, you know, read the instructions, and it was like, oh no, I ain't reading that. I don't want to learn about this. I want this to be easier. So, you know, you just put the camera down and you just take pictures like that, but you don't learn anything. You just yeah, taking pictures. Here you go, click. I don't know, no settings, nothing, click. That's it. But very interesting. So, with the apps, these phone apps, for anybody, I would suggest anybody who's trying to learn a real camera, a DSLR camera or a mirrorless camera, learn the apps, functionalities of the apps and all this stuff, and look on YouTube and get any camera, man, and you just go off. And trust me, man, it's not as hard as you think. It's just terminology is out of whack. You know, everything is the opposite direction. You know what I'm saying? That's a camera. And I suppose the reason why it's figured this way would be because they see the camera and the way it's written, it's upside down. So I assume that's the way they see the camera. In the old days, when you would look inside the camera, the image is upside down. So the instructions were written in that same fashion, upside down. Or the functionalities of these new cameras, in the instructions, it's like it's upside down. You understand? Oh, that's just me, man. I don't know shit. That's the problem. So the sun right now is beaming right on this phone right now. On the video. Mika, come on now. And I have no idea what this is gonna look like. It's just a short walk, just to give her some run. It's been raining for 2 days, so you know. But this gimbal, I love it. It's great. Great gimbal, man. I would definitely suggest people to get a gimbal like this. It's cheap, it's solid, it's reliable, it works, man. So yeah. She's always into something. She's always into doing something wrong. Look how dirty she is. Jeez. Look at her. What the? What are you doing? Yeah. I sold an old air compressor I wasn't using. Well, my neighbor, he asked me for it because I'm selling my house, you know, so, and I can't bring big compressors and stuff, so I sold it to him. So pretty soon, guys, we're gonna do an unboxing of a Canon M50. Yeah, a Canon M50. We're gonna do an unboxing on that. Yeah, I'm trying to get the white one. Apparently, it's a good vlogging camera. You know, and it takes fabulous, fabulous pictures. And as you all know, you know, I really would like to travel, like take a trip. And if I do that, I want to have a good camera because where I would like to go, there's some serious scenery there. You know, if international flights ever reopen, you know, because yeah, that's the story, guys. I'm gonna sell the house now. I'm going to go down and figure out what we're gonna do. But meanwhile, we're gonna do some more adventures and, you know, I don't know. I just hope that everything goes back into normal soon, you know, so that everybody gets back on track, and so we can all put this bullshit behind us, you know. This year is it's unbelievable. A year, crazy year for everybody. You know? Let's hope 21 is going to be better. You know. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys, for an unboxing of a Canon M50 mirrorless camera, and Stay safe. This is where I'm going to cut the video. It was just a short walk. You know, this is where I'm going to cut the video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate that. And stay safe. And we'll see you soon. Take care.